Welcome. Did you know that staying fit doesn't require fancy gym equipment or expensive memberships? Today, I'll show you how you can achieve a full body workout at home using nothing but your own body weight. Ready to transform your space into your personal gym? Let's get started. 1. Warm up. Preparing your body. Before any workout, warming up is crucial to avoid injuries and get your body ready. Here's a simple routine you can do in just 5 minutes. 1. Jumping jacks. Start with 30 seconds of jumping jacks to get your heart rate up. 2. Arm circles. Stretch out those shoulders with 20 seconds of arm circles, forward and backward. 3. High knees. Bring your knees up to your chest for 30 seconds. This quick warm-up gets your blood flowing and prepares your muscles for action. 2. Upper body strength. Push-up variations. Let's begin with upper body strength. Push-ups are the king of no equipment exercises. Start with standard push-ups. Place your hands shoulder width apart and lower your chest to the floor. Aim for 10-15 reps. Too challenging? Modify by dropping to your knees. Looking for more intensity? Try diamond push-ups by placing your hands close together in a diamond shape. Feel the burn? That's your muscles getting stronger. 3. Core workout. Engaging your abs. Next, let's target your core. A strong core is essential for balance and overall strength. 1. Plank. Hold a plank position for 20-30 seconds. Keep your body straight, like a board. 2. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, bring your knees to your chest, and alternate touching your elbow to the opposite knee. Aim for 15 reps on each side. 3. Leg raises. Lie flat, lift your legs to a 90-degree angle, and slowly lower them. Try for 10 reps. 4. Lower body. Building leg strength. Let's move to your legs and glutes. These exercises will keep you strong and stable. Squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and lower your hips as if sitting in a chair. Do 12-15 reps. Lunges. Step 1 foot forward, lower your body, and push back up. Switch legs. Do 10 reps per leg. Calf raises. Stand on your tiptoes and slowly lower yourself down. Repeat 15 times. 5. Cardio. Boost your heart rate. Cardio is essential for heart health. Here's a quick 3-minute routine. 1. Burpees, a full body move that combines a squat, push-up, and jump. Do 5-10 reps. 2. Mountain climbers, in a plank position, alternate bringing your knees to your chest. Go for 30 seconds. 3. Skaters, jump from side to side like a speed skater, keeping low. Aim for 15 reps per side. 6. Cool down. Stretch and relax. Don't forget to cool down. Stretching helps your muscles recover and reduces soreness. Child's pose. Sit back on your heels, stretch your arms forward, and relax. Cat-cow stretch. Alternate between arching and rounding your back. Hamstring stretch. Sit with your legs straight and reach for your toes. Take a deep breath. You've just completed an incredible workout at home, proving that fitness doesn't require a gym. Consistency is key. Do this routine 3-4 times a week, and you'll see amazing results. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, your fitness journey starts with one step. Why not start right here, right now? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.